friends, welcome! Today we will be learning how to make cute sock bunnies. First, you will need one sock. It can be any color, it doesn't matter. You'll also need dry rice, that is raw, dry rice. You're going to need some scissors that are sharp enough to cut through the sock, some twine or string, and decorative ribbon. You're also going to need some markers. I'm going to be using black and white. All right, here we go. Open your sock up as much as you can so that you can pour some rice into it. I had a lot of difficulty with this because my sock was very, very tight. If you're having difficulties with this too, you can grab a tall cup or glass or a small vase and stretch out your sock like so. Once you're done filling up the bottom of your sock, go ahead and take off the sock from the vase or cup that you have it on. Cut some twine or string and go ahead and tie it up as tight as you can, right where the fingers lie. You're going to want to do 2 regular knots. Make sure they're very, very tight so the rice can't escape. And then you're going to go ahead and wrap the string around and then tie 2 more knots. This is to just secure the rice. Then go ahead and cut the excess string off and get ready to put more rice in. Make sure that you only put about half as much rice into this second ball as the first one. Alright, as you can see there, it is about half the size of the original first lower ball. You're going to take some twine or string and then do the exact same thing. You're going to tie it very, very tight with 2 knots. Once you're done tying, you're going to want to make sure to cut off the excess string just like we did last time. Cut it as low as you can without cutting the actual knot. Then we're going to go ahead and cut the excess sock. Make sure that you don't cut bigger than the head of the bunny. Cut any extra sock that you might have once again, and make sure that the ears are in proportion. Then cut your ears to whatever shape you'd like. I'm using the V method. This is where you fold in half and then cut where the fold is. This creates a V shape, therefore giving me the shape of the ears that I want. As you can see, I am doing some fine tuning by taking off some extra strings or a piece of cloth that I have coming off of that sock. Once you're all set, you're ready to use your ribbons. I made my ribbon into a bow shape, just like a shoelace bow, and then I put some string on it so that I can tie it to my bunny, kind of like a headband. Once you're done with the bow, go ahead and grab your marker. I'm using my white chalk marker. I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 dots for the eyes. Once you're done making the eyes, you're going to want to grab your white marker once again and draw an X where the nose and mouth would be. just like that. And then you're going to want to grab your black marker and you're going to want to draw some pupils onto your little bunny. If you'd like, you can also draw some cute little eyelashes and a cute nose. And that's it, friends. There you have it. You cute little sock bunny. Thanks for watching.